Sometimes you want to add controls to an existing installation, but you don't want to replace the wiring. The reason to fit the controls could be to save energy. Even if the light fittings are not dimmable, there is still plenty you can do. If the existing fittings have never been dimmed, it's very unlikely that they'll be fitted with dimmable control gear. You therefore need to fit sensors to switch off the lights when they're not needed. The simplest method is to connect one or several fittings to a movement detector. These are sometimes called presence or movement detectors. They're especially useful for offices, restrooms, corridors and warehouses. When the detector senses people moving, the lights switch on. When the sensor doesn't detect any movement, usually after a few minutes, the lights will switch off. For meeting rooms, a movement detector can be useful. For example, when you enter the room, you have to switch the lights on. The lights then switch off automatically after a certain period of time when no movement has been detected. You can also control the lighting with time clocks, which switch the lights on at the beginning of the day and off at the end. An alternative is to replace the existing control gear or drivers with dimmable ones. This requires using a qualified electrical installer to alter the wiring inside the light fitting. Ultimately, the best solution is to consider replacing the existing fittings on a one-for-one basis with dimmable ones. When all costs are considered, new luminaires may not cost any more than modifying existing ones. Furthermore, you'll have the current technology and a good starting point to apply your chosen control system.